In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter bills and expenses in QuickBooks Online. When you're deciding how to record a purchase, here's the quick rule of thumb. Use a bill when you received goods or services and will pay later. That posts the amount to accounts payable and creates something you can pay later with a bill payment. Use an expense when you paid right away using cash, a bank account, or a credit card. With that in mind, let's walk through both workflows. To record a bill, start from the QuickBooks Online dashboard and hover over the Create menu. Choose Bill. At the top of the form, select the vendor you're entering the bill for. Next, set the terms. I'll pick due on receipt. As an example, terms tell QuickBooks how to calculate the due date, so options like net 15 or net 30 will push the due date out automatically. Enter the bill date, which is the date printed on the vendor's bill. Verify the due date. If you selected terms, QuickBooks will fill this in, but you can adjust it if the vendor gave you a different deadline. Now add the bill details. In the category column, choose the correct expense account from your chart of accounts, such as utilities, office supplies, or repairs and maintenance. Use the description field to briefly note what the charge is for, so it's easy to recognize later. Then enter the amount. Repeat those lines if the bill needs to be split across multiple categories. When everything looks right, click Save. Your bill is now recorded and will appear in your payables. To record something you paid immediately, hover over. Create again and click Expense. Select the payee so the transaction is tied to the correct vendor record. Pick the payment account to show where the money came from, like a checking account or a specific credit card. Scroll down to the details. Choose the category to map the cost to the right expense account, add a clear description, and enter the amount. Review the date and the total at the top if needed, then click Save. This posts the expense directly to your books and reduces the balance of the payment account you selected. That's it. Use bills for pay later purchases and expenses for pay now purchases, and your accounts payable and cash balances will stay accurate and up to date.